Right, so we're going to start off with the if-else statement. As you can see, the variables have already been created for us. Alright, so if mood is sleepy, so if mood is equal to sleepy, and tired this level, and variables mood and sleepy, let's create the and tiredness level is greater than 8. And we're going to go ahead and console log string time to sleep. Else console.log whoops. Okay, as you can see, the output is not bedtime yet because it evaluates to false or not true. So if mood is equal to sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8, which it's not because tiredness level is equal to 6, let mood is equal to sleepy, but the second condition is false within the parenthesis, or the second parameter of the condition is false. So that's why it pushes out the false else console.log. Okay, so for instance, if I were to change this variable to 8, or let's just say 9, because it says not greater than equal to, it says greater than 8. So if you guys are wondering, oh, if I set this to 8, then both of these conditions are true. No, that's incorrect. It's still not bedtime yet. It's not equal to, if you set it to 9, yes, then it will change the statement. As you can see, time to sleep. That's the console.log that it throws out. Right, so like, let's do something else. Let's, for instance, say, let's negate the whole condition. So now we've negated the whole condition. As you can see, if not mood equals sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8, then else console.log not bedtime. There, as you can see, it logs the not bedtime string. Alright guys, let's move on.